Hello everyone, welcome back to Good at Hair channel. This is Ethan. Recently, we have received lots of requests from our customers about our antimicrobial men's hair system. They would like to know if this new product has the same guarantee as our normal products. So today, I would like to say the after-sales guarantee of this product is the same as that provided on our website, since it does not affect the quality of the product. And we are pleased to accommodate returns and exchanges within 14 days from the date the order is delivered on all eligible products. So if you would like to find more details, please visit our website. And what's more, we conduct a strict quality control and inspection process to make our products qualified. So you can use our antimicrobial men's hair system with great confidence. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and give us your likes. Leave us your comments if you have any questions or would like to try it out. Bye bye.